In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily replace your windshield wipers. Check your wiper blades. If they are cracking, chipping, or falling apart like this one, it's time to change them. Neglecting to replace them when they're in this condition is a recipe for windshield scratches, and you don't want that. Before trying to install new ones, you need to confirm the correct sizes. Often the driver's side and the passenger side require two different sizes. This car is a 2014 Toyota Camry. The driver's side requires a 26-inch wiper blade and the passenger side requires an 18-inch wiper blade. This information will be specified in your vehicle's owner manual. You can also check your manufacturer's website for the information as well. If you notice here, I've bought what's called flex blades. I think these work a little bit better than the straight blades. Flex blades have a natural curve to them which enhances their ability to hug the contours of your windshield because your windshield is curved, and it just allows them to wipe away the water better, which is going to give you a clearer line of sight. Now let's get started changing these blades. On this car, all I got to do is flick this little latch right here. So flick it up and then pull down and it comes right off. Get the new blade here, squeeze this, open it up, slide it right on, and lock it, and you're all set. Now we're going to do the same thing for this one. Flick up the latch, right like that, pop down. Squeeze to open the thing. Slide it on, and you're going to close this little latch here to lock it. Right like that. And that, my friends, is how to replace your windshield wiper blades. If you've ever wanted to know how to clean the inside of your windshield, click the video on the screen now, give this one a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.